Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Vamshik Shetty, pursuing third year B in Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the one of the interesting topic in the full stack development, that is template inheritance. Now first let us discuss about the what is template inheritance. Here we have mentioned the definition of the template inheritance. Template inheritance in Django allows you to create a base template with a common structure and then extend our or override the specific blocks in the child templates. This is a powerful feature that promotes code reuse and helps to maintain a consistent look and feel across the different pages of your website. The template inheritance is used to promote the code reuse in the Django. Now let us discuss about the steps used in Django to implement the template inheritance. First, we have to create the base template. Here we have in the figure we have mentioned the base template. The first for creating the base template, start by creating a base template that contains the common structures of your pages. Use the block tag to define the areas that can be overridden by the child templates. Here we have taken the navigation.html as the base template. In the figure, we can see that the title and the content has been blocked by the block title, and we have end the block, and the content has been blocked by the block content tag, and end by the end block content end block tag. This is the typical example of the uh, creating the NHTML base file, and the second step is to extend the base template in the child template. Create the child template that extend the base template using the extend tag. Override the specific block with the content relevant to the each page. In this in our child templates, the child templates are the index.html, base.html, blog index.html are going to inherit from the navigation.html, where navigation.html is the base template. And then we are going to render the child template in the views. In the figure, we can see that in our views, you use the render function to render the child templates. Here the child template are the index.html, base.html, and the blog index.html. These are the three child templates which comes under the base template navigation.html. And at last we are going to run the project. It's time to run the development server, and you can see the HTML template is rendered in your browser. Activate the virtual environment and run the development server, and the navigation base is inherited in all the child templates. These are the steps which are used to implement the template inheritance. Now let us see the working of the template inheritance. In the template inheritance, we mainly use the three tags, that is the extend tag, block tag, and end block tag. These are the three tags which we're going to use in the template inheritance. If you use the extend tag in a template, it must be the first template tag in that template, otherwise the template inheritance won't work. Generally, the more block tags in your base templates, the better. If you find yourself duplicating the code in the number of templates, it probably means you should move that code to a block in a parent tag. If you need to get the content of the block from the parent tag, use the block.super tag, which is a magic variable, providing the render text of the parent template. After this, you may not define the multiple block tags with the same name in the same template. The template name of you pass to the extend tag is loaded using the same method that get template uses. That is, the template name is appended to your template directory settings. In most cases, the argument to the extend tag will be a string, but it can be a variable if you don't know the name of the parent template until the runtime. This is about the working of the template tag. Now let us discuss about the template inheritance with the real-time example. So here let us take the example of the layout for college website. In this layout project, we have taken the layout.html as the base file, base template. In this base template, we have mentioned the HTML syntax and in the head tag we have mentioned the title, where we are going to block the title and end block the title. In this block title we are going to mention the title, and we have implemented the navigation and the footer function. By following the body function, we have implemented the home link, about us link, and the contact us link. In the section part, we are going to block the content and then block the using the end block tag. And also in the footer section, we have implemented the footer to know the difference between the all the HTML templates. This is about the base file. Now let us discuss about the child templates. The here we have used the home.html, contact.html, about us.html as the child templates. First, to implement the child templates, we have to extend the base template. Here the base template is the layout.html. So we have extended the layout.html, and then we have we have to implement the title. So we have used the block title, and we have end block title, end block. So in the within the block title and the end block, we have implemented the home as the title, and we have to mention the content also. So we have mentioned the block content. Within the block content, we have mentioned what all the contents we have to be implemented in the home page. So we have taken the image as the from the source file, and we have implemented the heading tag and the paragraph tag within the home page, and we have mentioned the end block tag. This is about the content which we are going to mention in the home page within the block and the end block tags. In the same way, we have taken the about us page, where first we have to extend the base file. Here the base file is the layout.html, so we have to extended the layout.html, and in the same way we have taken the title as the about SVCE. So we have taken the title within the block and the end block title. So we have taken the title and we have to mention the content. So to mention the content, we have taken some of the content of the website, and we have mentioned within the block content and the end block. So the content has to be mentioned within the block tag. So this is about the block tag. In the same way, we have taken the contact us page. First, we have to extend the base file, that is the layout.html. We have extended the layout.html, and we have taken the title as the contact us. So we have mentioned within the block title and the end block tag, and we have taken the content as the content of the contact page, and we have mentioned within the block contact, and we have mentioned at last the end block. This is in the same way all the content has to be mentioned, and all the content has to be mentioned within the block content, and the base file has to be inherited for all the child files. Now let us discuss how it is going to be implemented. First, we are going to open the new terminal. In the new terminal, we have taken the to take as the command prompt. In the command prompt, we have to take the layout project. So we have to mention cd layout, and we are going to run the project. To run the project, we have to use the command python manage.py run server. This command is going to be is used to run the project. Yeah, we got the URL, and we have to click on this URL. So we got this page. Yeah, this is the output of the page. This is the home page, which is inherited by the layout.html, and this is the image source, and the some of the content we have going to implement in the some of the content which we have uh, which have used in the home page, and this is the navigation bar, and this is the footer section. In the same way, if we click on the about us section, the navigation bar and the content footer bar is remain same. That is inherited from the base file, that is the layout.html, but the content within the page has been changed by using the block tags in the about us page. In the same way, if we are going to check on the contact us page, the navigation and the footer section has remained same. That is inherited from the base file, that is layout.html, but the content has been changed by using the block content, and the title is also has been changed to contact us. If you check on the about us page, here the title has been changed to about us. If you check on the home page, the title has been changed to home page, but the content, but the navigation and the footer section remains same. This is inherited by the layout.html, but the content and the title has been changed by using the block tag and the end block tag. So this is the example of the template inheritance by using the extend tag, block tag, and the end block tag. Now, now let us discuss about the advantages of the template inheritance. Here we have mentioned the some of the advantages on the template inheritance, that is the consistent layout, code reusability, maintenance and the updates, flexibility and the customization, improved readability, simplified template hierarchy, enhanced collaboration, and the time efficiency. These are the some of the advantages that that we can be seen in the template inheritance. This is about the template inheritance. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you. For more videos, please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.